In the next 10 minutes, I'm showing you the exact 3 ways Nigerians are hitting 500K monthly, and it's not what you think. No Ponzi scheme, no crypto gambling, no get-rich-quick nonsense. These are methods people in Lagos, Abuja, and Port Harcourt are using right now that actually work. Stay till the end. I'm breaking down the one strategy that requires almost zero startup capital. Before we start, answer this honestly in the comments. Are you making money online right now? Most of you will say no, and here's why. You're chasing strategies that worked in 2019. The Nigerians hitting 500K monthly are using 2025 methods. They're not creating 100 TikTok videos hoping one goes viral. They're not spending months building a personal brand. They're building systems that work while they sleep. And in the next 10 minutes, you'll know exactly what those systems are. Let me be clear about something first. 500K monthly isn't impossible. It's not even that hard when you know what you're doing. That's roughly 16,500 Naira daily. On a platform like Fiverr, that's 3 to 4 solid clients. On Sellar or Gumroad, that's 20 to 30 product sales daily. On a YouTube channel with affiliate commissions, that's maybe 3,000 to 5,000 monthly views with the right audience. The problem isn't the target. The problem is you're doing one small thing instead of building a real system. The Nigerians who've cracked this aren't necessarily more intelligent than you. They're not more privileged. They're just doing the 3 things I'm about to show you and doing them consistently. This is what actually works. Let's go. Method number 1. Selling digital products on platforms like Sellar.co, Gumroad, and PrestaShop. Here's what's working right now. Nigerians are creating courses, templates, guides, and Notion packages, selling them between 5,000 to 50,000 Naira per product and getting 20 to 100 sales per month. Do the math. 20 sales at 25,000 Naira each is 500K. That's your target achieved. But here's what's critical. Not every digital product sells. The ones making money fall into 3 categories. Category 1. Skill-based courses. Freelancing guides, social media marketing for small businesses, copywriting, graphic design tutorials, price range 15K to 50K. Why it works? Nigerians want to learn skills that lead to immediate income. These courses sell 30 to 50 copies monthly if marketed correctly. Category 2. Business templates and tools. Email swipe files for coaches, Instagram content calendars, Canva templates, pitch deck templates, contract templates for freelancers. Price range 3K to 10K. Why it works? Low friction purchases. Someone building a coaching business doesn't want to create 90 email templates from scratch. They'll spend 5,000 Naira to get done-for-you templates. This category alone can hit 300K monthly if you have 3 to 4 solid templates. Category 3. Niche communities and done-for-you guides. How to start an import-export business in Nigeria. How to scale your hair business to 2 million Naira monthly. The complete guide to affiliate marketing in Nigeria. Price range 8K to 25K. Why it works? Specificity. How to make money online sells nothing. How to make 200K monthly through book publishing on Sellar gets bought immediately. Now, the system that actually works. Month 1. Create 2 to 3 products in categories that have proven demand. Don't spend 3 months perfecting. Spend 2 weeks creating and 1 week polishing. Ship it. Month 2 to 3, market these 3 products through TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and WhatsApp. 1 post per day. No paid ads needed. Just showing the problem your product solves. For example, if you're selling a freelancing guide, your content is why most Nigerian freelancers never hit 500K, or the 5-figure freelancing structure nobody talks about. Month 4 onwards, you'll have consistent sales coming in. At this point, create 2 more products. Now you have 5 products with different audiences and your monthly revenue compounds. Real example, a woman I know created 5 products,
Courses, templates, guides over 4 months. She's now doing $420K monthly. Minimum maintenance. She doesn't create new content daily, she repurposes old videos. Method number 2. Content creation paired with strategic affiliate commissions. This is where most people get it wrong. They try to grow YouTube or TikTok for the platform's own monetization, which takes forever. The Nigerians hitting 500K are creating content that sells specific products to specific audiences and making 10 to 40% commission per sale. What products are we talking about? Hosting, domain, and website builders. Nigerians are starting online businesses. They need Namecheap, Bluehost, or Site Builder Nigeria. Commission? 10 to 30% per sale. At 30,000 Naira per hosting sale and 25% commission, that's 7,500 Naira per customer. You need 67 sales monthly to hit 500K. Writing and productivity tools. Flutterwave, Paystack, ConvertKit, Beehive, Notion, Grammarly. These have affiliate programs that pay between $5 to $40 per sign-up or sale. Especially for payments tools, every freelancer and small business owner in Nigeria needs them. Digital courses and coaching. Other creators' courses. Sellar has an affiliate program. You recommend a course, it fits your audience, someone buys through your link, you get 20 to 40% commission. B2B services for small businesses. Graphic design, virtual assistant services, content writing, email copywriting, social media management. You create content about how to scale your business, mention specific service providers you recommend, and get 10 to 20% commission per referral. Here's what's working. Problem, solution, recommendation format. Example, your hosting is making your website slow. Here's why, here's how to fix it, here's the specific hosting I use and recommend. Affiliate link. Case study format. I used Paystack for 6 months. Here's what I made. Here's the breakdown. Affiliate link to start account. Comparison videos. Notion versus other project management tools. Which should you use? You're not being biased, you're just showing features, but you lead with, here's why I use Notion. Affiliate link. Personal transformation. I made 200K monthly from freelancing using this email framework. Sell the framework or recommend a tool you affiliate with. Real situation. A content creator with 50,000 TikTok followers focused entirely on how to make money as a freelancer in Nigeria. His content, recommendations, Upwork, Paystack, Braintree, Paystack, ConvertKit for invoicing. Last month, he made 456K from affiliate commissions, not from followers, from conversions on specific products. Another example, a YouTube channel about starting your online business in Nigeria. 550,000 subscribers. She recommends hosting, email marketing tools, and courses. She's making well over 500K monthly just from affiliate commissions. The channel has 300,000 monthly views. Even at 0.5% conversion, 1,500 people clicking affiliate links with average commissions of 2,000 to 3,000 Naira, she's already at 3 to 4.5 million monthly. Here's what works. Step 1. Pick a specific niche, not how to make money. Pick how to make money as a freelancer, or how to run a print-on-demand business, or how to coach online. Step 2. Identify 3 to 5 affiliate products your audience genuinely needs. Step 3. Create 1 video per day showing problems your audience faces. Half your content solves problems directly. The other half recommends a specific tool or service, affiliate link in bio or description. Step 4. Drive traffic from TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels to a simple landing page or bio link with all your recommendations. The conversion rate needed, if you're getting 10,000 monthly views on TikTok and Reels and only 0.2% of people click your affiliate links, 20 people, and your average commission is 3,000 Naira, that's already 60,000 monthly. Scale that to 100,000 monthly views and you're at 600,000 Naira. This is not hypothetical, this is happening right now.
Method number 3. High-ticket service delivery. This is the fastest way to 500K monthly, but it requires a specific skill. And here's the good news. The skills Nigerians need right now are changing. It's not just web development and design anymore. Email marketing for small businesses, setting up email sequences, creating email funnels, copywriting emails that convert. You're charging clients 100 to 300K per month to manage this. You need 2 to 3 clients and you're at 500K. Why this works? Small businesses in Nigeria realize that Instagram and WhatsApp alone won't scale them. They need email, and they don't know how to do it. Copy and funnel creation, writing sales pages, VSL scripts, email sequences that actually convert. Charging 150 to 500K per project. You need 2 to 4 projects monthly. Real example, a copywriter in Nigeria just finished a sales page project for a coaching program. 3 weeks of work, 400K. Done for you social media management for high-ticket businesses. Not managing TikTok for a fashion brand. Managing Instagram and LinkedIn for coaches, consultants, and B2B service providers. 150 to 400K monthly per client. 2 clients equals 500K. YouTube channel management. Building YouTube channels from zero for coaches, consultants, and online educators. Setting up, optimizing, creating initial videos, setting up monetization. 200 to 500K one-time project plus retainer fees of 50 to 100K monthly for ongoing management. Personal brand development. Taking someone from 0 followers to a recognized voice in their industry. 3 to 4 months of work. $300 to $1 million contract. You need 1 to 2 of these running simultaneously. The people who aren't making money are charging 10 to 25K per service. The people making 500K plus monthly are charging 10 to 20x more. A graphic designer charging 5K per logo makes 150K monthly with 30 clients. A brand designer charging 100K per brand identity makes 500K with 5 clients. A content writer charging 3K per article makes 90K monthly with 30 articles. A copywriter charging 80K per sales page makes 500K with 7 projects quarterly. Same skill, different positioning, different price. Here's what's actually working. Step 1. Pick one high-ticket service. Email marketing, copywriting, YouTube management, or LinkedIn personal branding. Step 2. Position yourself as solving a specific problem for a specific person. Not I do social media management. It's I help coaches get paying email subscribers through strategic email sequences. Step 3. Build a simple portfolio. 2 to 3 case studies showing before and after. These don't need to be perfect. They need to show results. Step 4. Go to where your people are. LinkedIn for B2B, Facebook groups for coaches and consultants, WhatsApp communities for Nigerian entrepreneurs. Step 5. Offer a free consultation. During this call, you're not selling. You're identifying the pain point, proposing a solution, and naming a price. You need 2 clients monthly at 250K each to hit 500K. A woman I know does email marketing strategy for online educators. Her price, 250K for a 3-month contract. She gets 2 to 3 clients monthly through LinkedIn and WhatsApp communities. That's 500 to 750K monthly working part-time. Here's what people who hit 500K plus monthly do. They don't pick one method, they combine all 3. Example, they sell a digital course on Solar. They create daily TikTok content recommending the course and related products, and they offer one-on-one coaching at 150K per client per month. A course launch brings in 100K one month. Affiliate commissions bring in 200K. 2 coaching clients bring in 300K. That's 600K monthly from 3 income streams. Example 2. They manage social media for clients. They create public content showing their process, and they sell templates and guides based on what they've learned. The most sustainable 500K earners are diversified. If one stream drops, the others keep them afloat.
Before the close, let me say what I won't tell you. Don't expect overnight success. Method 1, digital products, takes 4 to 6 weeks before first sales. Method 2, affiliate content, takes 6 to 8 weeks to get meaningful commissions. Method 3, services, takes 2 to 3 weeks to land first client. Plan for 2 to 3 months before hitting 500K. Don't invest heavily up front. You don't need a 50K course to learn this. You don't need expensive tools. Digital product creation can happen in Google Docs and Canva, free. Content creation happens on your phone. Service delivery needs only your skills and a WhatsApp. Don't chase everything. Pick one method, master it, add the second, then the third. Bouncing between all 3 methods at once is how you fail. That's it. These are the exact 3 ways: digital products, affiliate content, high-ticket services. Pick one, commit to 90 days, show up daily, track what's working. If you actually implement this, you'll either hit 500K or you'll have a real business generating real money. Drop a comment. Which method are you going to try first? And if you found this useful, subscribe. I'm dropping another one next week, breaking down how to make your first 100K online, step by step.